hold my heart tight through every quiet and lonely night. Your face appears without asking, gently warming all my silence. Yesterday returns through old songs. Familiar notes touch my feelings. No pain remains, only gratitude for once being happy with you. I keep these memories softly saying,